Heard of IELTS but not sure what it is? In this video, I'm going to show you how this English test could transform your life and take you wherever you want to go. Hello and welcome! My name is Sophia Bechtel, and in this ABC IELTS preparation video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the IELTS test. What it is, how it works, and why you might want to take it. Let's start at the beginning. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It's an English language proficiency test developed and run by the British Council system in partnership with IDP Education and Cambridge English. Since 1989, IELTS has been widely regarded as one of the world's most popular English language proficiency tests for higher education and global migration. Who is IELTS for? IELTS is for anyone looking to live, work, or study in an English-speaking country. Governments in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom all trust IELTS when processing immigration applications. IELTS is also recognized by educational institutions, employers, and professional bodies that need to verify your English language proficiency. All right, let's take a look at the different types of IELTS tests. There are 3 available to you. IELTS General Training is designed for anyone wanting to work, train, study below degree level, or migrate to an English-speaking country. IELTS Academic is for those who want to study at undergraduate or postgraduate level. Then there are the IELTS for UKVI Academic and General Training and IELTS Life Skills tests, which are approved, secure English language tests by the UK Home Office for visa applications to the UK. You should always check entry requirements for your target country, institution, or association before choosing your test. There are 3 different ways you can take your IELTS test: on paper, on computer, and online. Both the IELTS on paper and IELTS on computer tests are conducted in test centers around the world. You can choose the option you prefer, subject to availability in your local area. In the IELTS on paper test, your answers will be handwritten for the listening, reading, and writing sections. In the IELTS on computer test, you'll type your answers to these sections using a computer. In both tests, the speaking section will be done face-to-face with a trained IELTS examiner. The key thing to know is that the test content and structure are exactly the same for both tests. The only difference is that you can decide whether to type your answers or write them down on paper. You decide the format that works best for you. If you choose the IELTS on computer test, you'll be eligible for the IELTS One Skill Retake. This gives you the option to retake one section of the test if you need to improve your score in one area, instead of retaking all 4 sections. It has been designed to help you feel confident going into your test. We all have off days and times when we don't show our full potential, so IELTS One Skill Retake is there to help get you back on track. You must sit the One Skill Retake within 60 days of your original test. It's widely available, and you can choose to take it at any test center where it is offered. You can also choose to do your IELTS test online. This gives you the flexibility to take your test wherever and whenever you want. It has the same content and features as IELTS on paper and IELTS on computer, but it's completed remotely. The listening, reading, and writing sections are taken the same way as IELTS on computer. Your speaking test is then taken via an online video call with a human examiner. All tests are marked by trained IELTS examiners, and you'll receive your results in 6 to 8 days. If you are thinking about taking IELTS online, make sure the institution you'd like to apply to is happy to accept results from IELTS academic tests that are done remotely. Why are you taking IELTS? For example, are you planning to study abroad? Let us know in the comments below. As I've already mentioned, there are 4 sections in the IELTS test: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If you'd like a complete guide to the IELTS test format, check out this video here. So, why do millions of people choose IELTS every year? Well, IELTS has been setting the standard for English language testing for more than 30 years. It's trusted by more than 12,000 organizations in over 140 countries. It's designed to showcase your true ability to communicate in English through tasks and scenarios that are reflective of everyday life in an English-speaking country. What's great is that you're able to choose the test format you're most comfortable with, whether that's on paper or on computer, and hopefully that will help you achieve the score you are aiming for. Unlike other providers who rely on AI technology as standard, there is the opportunity in your speaking test to speak face-to-face with an examiner so you can have a natural conversation as if you are having coffee with a friend. It's important to say at this stage that the IELTS test is accepting of all English accents and is actively seeking to avoid cultural bias. What truly matters is that you communicate clearly and use precise vocabulary. Every test is assessed by qualified examiners who undergo rigorous training and continuous monitoring. To maintain objectivity, 3 different examiners are always involved in rating your writing and speaking tests. The IELTS system offers you a transparent testing process that is fully explained, so you know exactly what to expect, and there are no scary surprises on test day. Okay, I think it's time we looked at a few brilliant resources to help you prepare for your IELTS test. ABC IELTS has a series of videos designed to help you get ready for test day. From all you need to know guides on each of the 4 sections to tips and tricks to help you ace your test, we've got you covered. Pick the ones you are most interested in and let us know if there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover in the comments below. All right, let's review what we've looked at and make a plan for your next steps together. Good luck with your next steps, and feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. This is your IELTS expert, Sophia Bechtel, saying goodbye.